Though once thought to be a high-risk investment, classic cars have grown in popularity and value in recent years. With rising inflation, the impact of COVID-19 a year ago, and the recent Russia-Ukraine war, people are looking for alternatives to the traditional stock market. And classic cars represent one of those potential alternatives. In fact, recent studies show that the best classic car investment options have the potential to offer a higher return than real estate, stocks, and many other investments. And to add the cherry on the cake, you get the pleasure of owning and driving a beautiful classic car along with the potential to get heavy returns in future. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you 5 cars that make a great investment in 2023. Number 5. Mercedes SL. Mercedes SL cars from 1980 to 2001 are among the best classic cars to buy as an investment. These are in high demand as sports cars, are extremely comfortable to drive, and are vintage classics. Mercedes is a well-known brand, and when it comes to classic cars with the best investment potential, the Mercedes SL is difficult to beat. This car has been on the market for over 60 years, making it one of the most well-known and well-loved classics. Prices for this investment classic car have been rising for some time and will most likely continue to rise as time passes beyond 2022 to 2023. You can get this car for a price of $12,000 to $13,000. Number 4. Alfa Romeo Spider. The Alfa Romeo Spider classic models were among the best cars to invest in 2022 and are expected to continue the same trend in 2023. The car has a sleek vintage design with Italian influences and is a joy to drive and own. The 1970 and 1973 versions of this car are now selling for between $17,000 and $37,000, making them 2 of the most popular and best classic cars to buy for investment in 2023. The 1973 Alfa Romeo Spider is particularly promising, with sales increasing dramatically in the last 5 years. The Spider, a successor to the Giulia and Giulietta, was manufactured from 1966 to 1982. The Spider, with its sleek Italian design and chassis that handles like a dream, is one of the classic cars that will appreciate in value over time. It is also a great buy if you want something you can drive and enjoy, which, as previously stated, is an added benefit of investing in classic cars. Number 3. Volvo 1800 ES. Although the Volvo brand may not appear to be one that produces classic cars to invest in at first glance, the 1800 ES is no ordinary Volvo. The 1800 ES is an evocative and appealing 60s sports car that shot to fame as Roger Moore's car in The Saint. The classic coupe, with all the dependability you'd expect from Volvo, is currently one of the best-kept investment secrets in the classic car world. The 1800 ES is great for day-to-day use thanks to its light controls, torquey engine, and good safety rating. As one would expect from a Volvo, the car simply runs and runs, requiring few replacement parts in comparison to the other cars in this video. Number 2. Toyota MR2. The Toyota MR2 is one of the best recent car investments, making it a great option for 2023 and beyond. You can put a small amount of money down and make a lot of money later because of the low investment cost and rising price trends. With independent front and rear suspension, a 5-speed transmission, and smooth driving abilities, this Toyota model has long been one of the fan favorites. The MR2 has a devoted fan base and is one of the few collector cars that will be snapped up as soon as it hits the market. This car, which was produced from 1984 to 1989, was extremely popular due to Toyota's excellent reliability and engineering record. The Toyota MR2, with its iconic pop-up headlights, has made the 2023 list of the best classic cars to invest in due to its popularity among car collectors. A rust-free 125 brake horsepower AW11 model appears to be one of the most popular models in the lineup. Number 1. Porsche 911 and 924. The classic Porsche 924 is also one of the fans' favorite cars that appreciate in value because of its lower investment price, which is around $10,000. The Porsche 924, which began production in 1975, was always regarded as one of the lower quality Porsches. However, in recent years, it has become the unsung hero in Porsche's illustrious history. And the 924 is quickly becoming one of the classic cars in the Porsche portfolio that will increase in investment value the most. If you want to invest in vintage cars, we recommend the Porsche 911 from 1965 to 1980 or the Porsche 924 from 1975 to 1988. Both are excellent investment classic vehicles for the year 2023. The value of collectible cars is gradually rising, as is the number of investors. As an investor, you should be aware of all market developments and the vehicles that will be released. These 5 vehicles mentioned in the video will be a wise investment in the coming year. Consider the appropriate cars for your budget and begin earning money. One final point to consider: once you've found an excellent classic vehicle, don't try to drive the car across the country by yourself. Hire a professional classic car transportation company to handle this for you. With this, we have come to an end on this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below and we will pin the best comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more amazing videos like this. We will see you in the next one.